In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to access Themes app or go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Themes section. Either way, from here, click on Themes at the bottom left corner. Now you can pick one of those, select Categories, or tap on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. Like space. I will go with this theme, for example, so I have to click on it. Tap on Download at the bottom and then select Apply. As you can see, after that, in the matter of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default themes and access Themes section again, but this time select Profile at the bottom right corner. Now click on Themes next to Wallpapers and select Classic or Limitless. Then tap on Apply at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!